Get it, Nickel. You want the room? Yeah, give it to him.
He's like,
Nickel, let it go! Nickel! 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 That can't be good for you. He's crazy. He's crazy for it. And you hear him. He's like... Nickel, let it go! Nickel. Nickel, let it go! I can't believe he's like... Nickel, that can't be good for you. Okay, Nickel. Oh, that's crazy. Let it go, Nickel. And he won't let it go. Nickel, let it go. Let it go.
All you do is get it out right there.
Oh, look. Oh. Okay, well, yeah, be careful when you hire it. I don't want him to get hurt.
Oh, he's like not even...
He won't let it go. He's nuts.
Because you got this to work on the bed, though.
No, it took him a while to let go. It took him a while to actually get tired. Nickel. Nickel, that can't be good for you.
Oh, my God. He just bites on one spot.